It was the night before Christmas, when all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. An exclamation came from down the hall.
We have nothing for dessert.
Yeah, exactly that call. To it, somebody said in a reassuring voice,
Don't worry, Taylor Cooks will sort it. What could possibly go wrong?
So if you imagine this from real time when you're starting now, we're just going to undo the ready-made puff pastry. The actual pork doesn't really taste of a great deal. So we're going to make it so it does. So you've got your pork, you've got your puff pastry, and we're going to cut a tiny bit of pork off, just about that much, so you can see it. And we're going to pop it right at the beginning, right at the beginning. This will get 2 because it's 1.5 normally for the sheet. So if I just put that there, well, that'll taste great as it is, but add some cracked pepper, add a little bit of salt, it tastes a lot better. And all we do then is very gently roll it into our sausage roll mix. And when it comes to the bottom, just make sure you go over the edge. So the edge is tucked in underneath. See that? Tucked in underneath. When you get to the end there, make sure that the bottom is tucked in. Just roll it over a tiny bit, like this. And get your knife and cut all the way down. Okay, that now gives us a rather long sausage roll. Okay, a rather long sausage roll. Well, that's okay, don't panic. We'll take our sausage roll, we'll put it there, we'll divide it into 3. Okay. Salt and pepper out of the way. Into 3. And you can lay it on the pan. And like I said, to make this special, we're going to put a little bit of cracked pepper on, a bit of salt, a little bit, and I'm going to add a little bit of flavour to it. So, apple sauce, just a little bit. Roll it over again. This time, cranberry. Crack the egg wash. Get the oven, get the egg wash. And make sure everything's covered into the oven, 160, 25 minutes.